Hello, greetings from Booneri. In today's topic, we will see the history of the auto rickshaw. Wanna know more about how it started? Watch ahead. In many countries around the world, today, auto rickshaws are a common means of transport as they are cheaper and an easier mode to travel as compared to cabs, which are more expensive. An auto rickshaw is a three-wheeler used to commute passengers. Some auto rickshaws are capable of accommodating 3 passengers with a driver, while some can take 6 passengers too. An auto rickshaw is mostly seen in countries around the world which have tropical climate. As these are not fully enclosed, it's not possible to have auto rickshaws in colder regions. Nowadays, we have autos that are motorized. But do you know what was used before? Take a look. Long ago, there were no motorized auto rickshaws, but rather people used to travel and commute on 2 or 3-wheeled passenger carts, which were generally pulled by one man carrying one passenger. Over time, these were modified and cycle rickshaws came into existence. Moving on further, around the 1930s, a new development was encouraged by the country Japan, and that was of motorized vehicles. A 3-wheel open vehicle was released in 1931. People often consider this as the first of what became auto rickshaws, but many don't agree to this as this vehicle was just like a motorbike in the front. Later on, an Italian company named Piaggio fitted a cab to protect the driver. For many years, the vehicle was built in India and Italy. But in 2013, all production of the vehicle was moved to India. How does this vehicle put an impact on the lives of people? Take a look. Having auto rickshaws as a means of transport has actually had an impact on people's lives. The auto rickshaw sector provides employment to an estimated 5 million drivers in India. A report said that the manufacturing or production of auto rickshaws in India, especially between the year 2003 and 2010, has doubled considerably in number. India is the largest market for 3-wheeler vehicles in terms of both sales and production across the globe and is a major exporter to 36 countries. The Indian company Bajaj Auto Limited is a leading player in the 3-wheeler market. It exports 3-wheeler vehicles to countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, etc. Today's auto rickshaws have been modified and run on variants like diesel, petrol or CNG, or we even have e-rickshaws that are battery powered and eco-friendly vehicles that produce no vehicular emission and protect the environment.